Hey guys, so today I'm making a new video on the new modification that I did on the bike, and I think this is a very big one, and this is for all those who have sports bike and having issues, pain on their wrist and on backs. So I changed my handlebar, as you can see here, and today I'm going to talk about this, and this really changed the bike for me. I didn't have any wrist pain or back pain, but yeah, it was really tiring in my hands. When I used to ride like that, my hands would get really red and all that stuff just after 10 minutes of riding. So yeah, I changed my handlebar. Let me first show you. As you can see, so I did not adjusted my front forks because I did not wanted the handling of the bike to change or anything like that. As you can see, they are in their stock position, and I even have the V3 front, and it is totally compatible with that. As you can see, like, it's just perfect on both sides. Like, check out that clearance, man. Alright, so let's talk about parts. Alright, so what I used on this is a Dominar handlebar holder, the bottom and top both. This is from a 2019 model, which is really important. Only the 2019 and the upper handlebar holder will clear your front forks. Alright, as you can see, let me show you the 2018 one. So guys, this is the 2018 model. This is from Dominar as well. Alright, sorry about that, someone came in, so I had to stop the video. So yeah, I was saying, this is a 2018 Dominar holder, and as you can see, the height is really short, and this will not clear your forks. Alright, so you need the 2019 model. Basically, for the middle holder, this should be 2019. I mean, if you're buying this from 2019, you may as well get the full package from 2019 model or 2020. So yes, make sure you get the 2019 Dominar handlebar holder, both the top, the bottom, and these bolts as well. Alright, so the next thing is the handlebar. Now you can go with any handlebar. This is a Suzuki gixxer handlebar that I went with, because I was gonna go with the FZ handlebars, but they weren't available in here. So actually, even the holder was not available. So the reason I have this 2018 one is I ordered the 2019 one, but they went and ordered the 2018 one for me. So, which, mind you, came in a month, and then I have to, I bought it, whatever. Then I ordered it again, but it took a month and it didn't even come. So I told them, what, I don't want it, you can cancel the order or whatever, and I ordered it online. So this is actually from 2018. So this is, the top part is actually same for both years or whatever. I just needed the bottom piece. As I said, this is from 2019, so I just ordered this, and the long bolts that goes inside the handle, which is this. So you don't have to order this. This is too long for our bikes, whatever. What you need to order is this. You can get these from any hardware shop, and these are just $10 or so. These are perfect. You can measure your length of bolts and get these from any shop. And alright, so the next thing is the wires. Will the wires fit to the new upper handlebar? And the answer is yes. The stock wires will fit to the upper handlebar, but you have to reroute the wires. So you see, before the wire used to come from here, then it will go inside. Alright, and it was going through this is a clip. I totally removed this because there was no point in leaving it there because we were not gonna use it, and it really cleared the front of the forks. You can see there are no wires in the front, so you have to read out the wires directly from here, so it will go directly straight and then in. Clutch wires too. So I have a problem with this clutch wire. It is touching right here, so I may read out this after some time, but for now it's not really a big problem. Then came the race and all these wires. This will also go straight in, and the last thing is the brake fluid wire, which will be actually short. Alright, so I have to change my position. So we were talking about the brake fluid wire, so it will be a short. Alright, the stock wire will be short. So the stock wire comes from the caliper, then goes all the way here, then it attaches to a clip right there, and then it goes to the brake reservoir. So that will never reach to your new handlebar position. What you have to do is remove it from that clip, alright, and then read out the wire straight up into the reservoir. So now you may have to remove the hose from here, then have to reroute it straight, but that's the only solution for this. You have to reroute this fluid wire straight up. That's the only way this is gonna reach up to the handlebar, and I think that's pretty much it. I think I have covered all that there is to handlebar. Now if I have to make it even higher, I can add handlebar risers right here. And yeah, you may also wanna order these washers and dampeners. This is also from same Dominar. You have to cut these to use this here, but that's your choice. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. And now the sitting position is higher and really comfortable. So, and I really like it. This is almost really, this is almost changed the bike for me. It's like riding a new bike. So if you wanna ask something, just go down in the comment section, and do follow me on my Instagram. That's at the casual rider. Alright guys, so I almost totally forgot. After that you have to remove your clip-ons. Alright, you can go to a mechanic and he can do that, but after that what you have to do is you have to drill 2 holes in your upper T. So you take this to a guy who have lathe or all those bigger drill machines, and they will do that for you. So you take your holder and mark the 2 holes, and then after that also you just put the bolt in and it will be there. But you also have to make this plate that will sit beneath the holder. It will give it support and strength. So this is on both sides, as you can see right here. Alright, let me see if I can show you even better. And then there's the washer and 2 ball nuts, and that's pretty much it. Not much here. So the guy I went to, he took 500 for all this, for making the holes, removing the clip-ons and all these switches and all that, and he made these small plates by himself. So he took 500 for me, and all the parts costed me around 1000. So in 1500 the whole handlebar got changed. It may cost less, from considering on where you live, or it may cost you more. So I think I have covered all the things that there is, but if there is something you are having trouble with, just comment down in the comment section, and I think that's it. So alright, see ya.